Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we're going to be working on the 3 rows of pictures. This is picture 1 that I got from Fansells, and hopefully I will have found a picture with all 3 of them. So this is the one we're working on, and I'm working on this flower right here. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great weekend. Yeah, so I had a great weekend. And my friend is gone now. But we had a good time. We went to the hot springs. We went thrift shopping. Went out to dinner. And just had a really good time. Sat at home and watched stuff on Netflix. Just kind of a wide variety of things. And it was kind of cold and windy on, kind of cold on Thursday, but Friday it really picked up, and it was windy all day down there at the hot springs. And, kind of cold running around. And then yesterday, where'd we go? Is it yesterday? Well, we kept running around at the thrift stores and stuff and like that on Friday. But where did we go? Oh, we ate in yesterday. Yesterday I made chili because it had snowed like 2 inches, but it was gone. Whoops. Oh, that's attractive. By noon, maybe even before that. So it didn't stay long. It just kind of attached to the cars, but nothing on the roads bad or anything like that. So we just stayed in and watched Netflix, and we went to breakfast though. And after that we were like, yep, we're kind of done. And went to the store and bought the stuff for chili, and went to and got stuff for breakfast so that we'd have it for a day or 2. So, yeah. But a very nice time. And today, of course, it was 50-some degrees. Or it is right now. Just beautiful weather, no wind blowing, no snowing, no bad looking clouds, nothing. It was just gorgeous, and yeah. He had to go to his brother's and spend some time there. I don't know if he's spending a day or 2 or what exactly that way, and then he'll go to St. Louis, where his mother lives, and spend some time with her. She's in her 80s, so, and his sister lives there in St. Louis. So, yep. But I am staying home and just making videos and doing what I do. So, we'll have some more videos. Sorry about yesterday. What can I say? It was busy. So, I worked a little bit on this over the past couple of days. Just picked it up and put in a couple of threads. So, nothing too carried away. I did work a little bit on that great big garden one. So, it was very nice. Just real relaxing, and nothing was hurry up and go do this and hurry up and go do that. It was quite nice. I think I'll just keep going in this area. So, I don't know if the weather's nice. Maybe my daughter will want to go out here or there once, get the kids back into school for another 5 minutes until they need to have some kind of a, what do you call it, a holiday or teachers in service, or who knows with them. Went to the thrift stores, didn't find hardly anything at all that was worth bringing home or even considering. They have some used clothes stores there in Salida. You know, kind of some high-end stuff. It's real nice. And didn't find anything there either, so. Oh, well. It got us out and about and around. But he likes to go and look at thrift stores and see what you can find. And oh, I did get the couch, so we got that all taken care of on Thursday. That was an ordeal. The guys had to get it out of the house. Holy cow. That was fun. So, yeah. Saw my daughter that day, and then I saw her today when we had to go pick up the camper, because he has his pop-up. It's not a soft side, it's a hard side camper, and we left it over at my daughter's house so it wouldn't take up space here at the park. And so they were out and talked to my son-in-law. So they were busy, and then some people showed up to talk to my son-in-law, so he had to go talk with them. I don't know what was going on there, but it's kind of a light pink. I'm not sure what color it is. I didn't look. I can look it up here in a second. I had a heck of a time trying to find my little threader doodad with the, what do you call it, with the magnet on it. It was on the cats that I did a video about. But yeah, that wind was just absolutely horrible. So if I sound like I'm stuffed up, you'll know why, right? Oh my goodness. It was something else. I mean, it was blowing so hard I could barely get the truck door open. So, we'll go here. Tried to pick a color that would be stitched throughout this thing. It's got a lot of confetti for it, as small as it is. But that's okay. I just keep working on it one color at a time. I mean, just one thread at a time, I should say, because I don't go through one whole color. I just can't. It just drives me nuts. I bought some material. We looked, didn't see any either, for like pillows for this couch, but didn't see any that they were either too big or too tiny. So I found some material at Walmart, and I got one of those iron-on pattern things. So I'm going to iron it on and then do the embroidery. I didn't find any thread there either that I could use. It wasn't the right color. Like I said, Walmart has a real crappy selection of thread. That's why I usually get it from 1-2-3 Stitch. But this is coming along, color by color. I try to take the big hunks out and do that, except for that background. I'm not real ecstatic. The background is 3865, yeah. Or 3866, something like that. I don't know. I can't read it sideways. But it's kind of a light, I think it's a pale green, if you will. If I remember correctly. pale green or like a cream color. But yeah, don't feel like starting on that. But this is a nice size one. It's easy to hold in my hands and stitch on. I didn't do much stitching over the past 3 or 4 days at all whatsoever. Just enough to do a couple full threads. That's about it. I was already wore out from running around, and then to sit down and do that, it just made me tireder. So, but we had a good time, and glad he came, and he'll be back in here about a month or so. And hopefully the weather will, you know, get lots better. I'm going to turn this way so I can see what I'm doing. So, talking about taking the camper out, but dang, it was horrible for 2 whole days. If the wind wasn't blowing, it was just snowy and cold. I don't think it even reached 30-some degrees in the past couple days. So today's the first day it actually got to 50-something. So it'll get better sooner or later. So I didn't go and take any pictures anywhere. What can I say? It wasn't a nature trip, not in this weather. It almost looks white next to this other color. Maybe it's just the lighting. Oh, phooey. Did that wrong. So no grand plans for today, just kind of relaxing. I made enough chili, of course, for 40 people. No, I didn't. It wasn't quite that much. But I've got chili already made, so I don't have to cook anything tonight. Thank goodness. I can say I'm going to have to see where I go next, but I guess it's just, I missed 3 right down there, but we'll get them sooner or later. So, did anybody go any place this weekend? Do anything fun or exciting? I know it just seems like it takes forever before you go do something fun. You know what I mean? It just too few and far in between. And I just hate waiting for winter to get over with. It just absolutely drives me up a wall that we can't go anywhere where we usually go and walk around, and my daughter does her thing and I do my thing. It just not suitable for that right now. I really like how this is coming together. These flowers always look really good when they're done. And all the different shades and stuff start to show. I'm pretty close to trying to figure out where to go now. I'll get it up there. Put that there just so I don't lose it. But I've got about 5 or 6 different symbols in this one, but this one here is about finished. So I may concentrate on that and try to get through it, you know. But yeah, I really like this pattern. I like the fact that it's small. You know, it's a 30 by 40. And that it has so much detail in it. So you can tell I've been concentrating on the flowers instead of like the leaves in the background and everything else. So, alright guys, well, I think that is going to be about it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.